Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet ponchos ideas. It's very trending and it's a summer collection and very lightweight ponchos. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive design on of crochet articles and crochet ponchos, especially for summer. So these are very helpful video for us, for those people. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video we'll see different themes, different design and collection for handmade craft. So pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful designs for yourself for casual and formal uses. These are very useful and outstanding collection and easy to make articles. So viewers, thank you so much for watching this video for those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection. It's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am sharing with you the benefits of crochet ponchos. Keep you snug and comfortable. It's very easy and easy to wear. Our style can be worn as a scarf, shawl and sleeveless top. Easy to care for, machine washable and quick to dry, stylish and fashionable. Adds a bohemian touch to any outfit. One size fits most. It's adjustable and accommodating for various body types. Portable, easy to take on the go for outdoor activities or travel. Affordable, a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to store-bought clothing. Handmade with love, a unique and personalized and meaningful garments, customizable, can be made in various colors, perfect designs, and your favorite patterns and size to fit your style. Relaxing to make the climbing and meditative crochet project for crafters. Crochet ponchos are a wonderful way to stay warm, to stay cool and stylish and cozy while enjoying the benefits of a handmade, unique and lovingly crafted garments. So weaver crochet is a popular handicraft that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a great hobby for those who enjoy making these with their hands and it can be very relaxing. So viewer, if you are looking for crochet resources, I can offer tutorials. I can provide step-by-step instructions for basic crochet stitches and techniques, patterns, I can offer a wide range of crochet patterns for various projects, from scarves to blanket to afghan and toys. Tips and tricks, I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. Would you like to know and or make? Let me know and I will do my best to assist you. So viewer, I am share with you some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word. Its meaning is hook. The first evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor articles and other items. The most common crochet hook materials are aluminum, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby needlework and worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. So, viewer, you know very well it's a very popular work and it's a needlework. Crochet, a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation, and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a used to make a wide range of items from clothing accessories to home decor and toys. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with some patterns, tips, and inspiration for your next project. So, Viewer, what would you like to know about crochet? Share your experience. Viewer, you know very well it's a needlework and it's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, hats, scarves, sweater, dresses, accessories, bags, wallets, phone cases, home decor, blankets, pillow cover, and coasters. Crochet has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own yarn, color and pattern, cost effective, make your own item instead of buying them. Some common crochet stitches include chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and treble crochet. So I am telling you, if you are learning how to crochet and if you are interested in learning how to crochet, there are many online resources and I am also available for your help. So one more time, thank you so much viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, viewer, I am here for your help and beginners are very helpful for from this video. So pick your favorite one design and make this design for yourself because all the designs are very beautiful and cool in summer. You can see the all design themes are effective and attractive designs and collection. So if you all love these article viewers and if you want more designs and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.